Hello there, this is Devin, and this is one of our newer fittings in a 3-inch turnbuckle. It's a Swage tensioner with an 1.5-inch lag screw, and we've actually changed something. This is a left-handed thread, so it winds into the left instead of the right, and the reason we did that was because these are counter-threaded, and the threads on this side of the turnbuckle are left-handed. So if you turn this all the way to the left, then it bottoms out, and this makes it so that it's much easier to install. You can remove this completely and use a deep socket to install these, or you can use a wrench right here on this nut to install these into your posts. Like always, we're always looking for ways to alter your hardware to make sure that they're as easy as possible for you to install and that you have the best experience. If you have any questions, give us a holler. Let's see, here is the matching set for this, a Swage lag screw. And then for reference sake, here is a turnbuckle with for 3/16-inch cables. So you can see how much thinner the 1/8 inch is. Again, thank you so much, and we look forward to hearing from you.